and animals and plants have found ways to live in this hot and dry habitat. Wow. Semin? Let's not make noises. Many desert plants can go a long time without
Water.
water. That's right. The cactus has a thick stem that stores water when it rains. Here's another question, Semin. Why do some animals go out only at night?
Because it's cool.
Because it's cool. That's right. I like cacti. I like cacti.
Cactus.
It's a plural form. A cacti is a plural form of a cactus. The wettest habitat, not driest. The wettest habitat is
Water.
the water. Ocean. The driest habitat is the
Desert.
desert. The
Cactus.
word cactus
5.
here or here.
Here.
The first line or second line?
Second.
Second line. The something is a desert cactus. Is this right? The cactus should go.
First.
Let's go first. See? So the cactus is a desert what? The cactus is a desert what?
Island.
Desert island, no.
Plant.
Plant! That's right. The cactus is a desert plant. Plants.
And animals or them or change to fit in and into
their what is this?
mouth.
Plants and animals adapt or change. Why? Just to fit into their habitat. Offspring of some animals must survive on their own. For example, the parents of a baby turtle or turtle hatchling are not around to keep it safe from big animals. How long do black bear cubs live with their mother? You don't remember? I got it.
No.
What? What's the answer? Huh?
Winter.
How long? How long?
Winter.
Just for winter. Means 3 months. I can give you a hint, okay? When the cubs are 1.5 years old, they leave their mother to survive on their own. Then
6 months.
big
7.
1.5 years. So how long do they live together?
2. 1.
2 years?
1 year.
1 year?
And 6 months.
That's right. 1.5 years.
그럼 1.5면
That's right. Do you know the fairy tale called The Ugly Duckling? A baby hatches from an egg, but it doesn't look like the mother duck. Later in the story, the baby grows into a beautiful swan. Offspring inherit some of their traits or looks from each of their parents. Oh, here's one of the difficult words. Inherit. Inherit means to get from a parent.
올챙이다.
To get.